Greetings my friends, and Trade here back with another video, and you know what it's all about. Today we're back into the market trading with the tools that we have just upgraded. Yesterday we traded with Evo Trade algorithm, and we're going to continue from where we left off yesterday and trade with Pocket Error today, which also got updated and got improvements to its algorithms, to its logic. So today we're going to perform some trades, make some money. We have 13K, and like I said, all the tools have been upgraded. Not all, but most of the tools have been upgraded, and they perform much better than they were before, more smooth, more accurate. So this is everything that you need, more precise, so you can hop into the market right now and get the best out of the new updated logic. And you can do that by simply clicking the link in the description below, or simply sending me a message on Telegram at @Antrade_pro. Everybody is welcome. We currently have 50% off, so check it out. And now let's go into the market and let me show you what this tool is actually able to do. This is not just a trading robot, this is a whole ecosystem. So let's go. And here we are in a market. We have our tool right here, and like I said, this is not just a robot, it has everything in it. We have live signals in here, we have education in here, so you can learn how to trade, learn different tools, learn different strategies, indicators. You get plenty of lessons, and this is gonna just continue expanding. Then on top of that, you have a robot in here which allows you to trade with one of the 10 strategies inside of this tool as well. And on top of that, you have progress tracker and 24/7 support. So like I said, this is a whole ecosystem in one tool. This is Pocket Era. It is directly tied to Pocket Options, so check it out. And now let's go and start trading with it. So what do? We select an asset. We want a high payout asset. And before you even select an asset, you can already select a strategy that you like. I really like pivot reversal strategy here. And these strategies are ranging from very simple ones like moving average cross to, like I said, a more difficult one like pivot reversal strategy, pivot extension strategy, Rob Booker, ADX. These are more difficult. The other ones are much simpler. So if you want a simple strategy to master to begin your trading journey, you have access to that as well. And let's start exactly with that, with moving average cross. So we selected. Next step is to select an asset. So we go and select an asset with a good payout. Great Britain Pound United States dollar has a solid payout, so this is where we're gonna be trading. We just go in here and look for it, and once we find it, where is it? There it is. We select it, and the time frame. I'm gonna go for 1 minute, so I select, but you have 8 different time frames: 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day. So you have full control of how you want to trade. Let's select 1 minute and press generate signal, and we are off the market. The robot starts to collect market data, analyzing the price movement, applying indicators that it's going to use for the analysis depending on the strategy you selected. And there it is, buy position. Let's place our entry here, and I'm going to place another 1,000 here on this trade. And like I said, this tool has been updated now as well, so it's more precise. It pulls the information much faster from Pocket Option to the tool. It applies the indicators much faster, so you get the analysis of the situation that is exactly going on second on the chart. Same deal with Evo Trade algorithm. The precision right now is extremely high, so you can get the best of it, because when you don't update the logic for a long time, there's a certain divergence between the signal and the situation on the chart. So you have to upgrade it continuously, and this is exactly what we did. So now is the best time to actually trade with these tools, because you get such a precision on these signals, and all the money is just out there for grabs. And here we are closing in. It's a bit close, but we get the first two. The last, we get it? Yeah, we do. The volatility is crazy, and still with the crazy volatility, we secure 3 trades out of the 4 and get return on a 4th. This is really close, but you could see how the price started acting up absolutely crazy. And you see this was the most default strategy, moving average cross, and still the price does go up just like predicted by the robot. So next up, let's do pivot reversal strategy. This is a more difficult strategy, but it also comes with more more precision and more accuracy. We select the asset, let's go and do it. Euro Australian dollar, do we have it? Let's check it out. If we do, we're gonna place a trade right here. Yes, we do. We same process, we select 1 minute and we generate signal. That's it. And once you place your trade, you can also go to different tabs here and, for example, do education while the trade is pending. So you are not locked into this window. You can continue working and continue learning. And let's place 2000 on this sell position. As you can see, we have our entry price, we have everything that we need. So there it is. Let's place another 3000 on top, because I think the price is going to swing a little bit above before going down. And like I said, you can go to education while you are in a trade and start learning, start understanding what it's like to be a standalone trader without having to rely on different trading robots. You can start learning how to trade by yourself, which indicators will be helpful to you, etc. All of that is in here. Like I said, live signals. This tool is a complete ecosystem in your mobile phone, on your computer. You can use it on both. So this is exactly what you need if you are on the move and you want to trade and learn continuously. So if you want to check it out, now is the time. Send me the message, and there it is, guys. Once again, an absolute banger of a signal. And like I said, we are dominating the market, getting all the money here. And this is real market. This is not OTC. This is uncontrolled environment, and we are in here already making $6,000 with just 2 signals. Absolutely insane. And let's do one last same process. We create the signal and we select the strategy, and we did 2 difficult ones. So let's go. We did a difficult one, an easy one. So now let's do a mid difficulty one, a medium one. Channel breakout strategy. We select an asset once again. Let's go and find that. Euro United States dollar 91. Horrible chart. Once again, let's look if it's able to do it. 1 minute, generate signal, we are off. I'm not doing anything. The robot is doing all the analysis right now, and this is a super difficult situation, so I'm not gonna place a lot because I think even the robot here might not pull us through and give us a nice signal, because this is really hard. So I'm gonna place 1000. We already made 6000, so we can spare a little bit here, and this is, we're just gonna keep it a little. We're just gonna keep it content here, not gonna go crazy. Same thing, we have entry point, our signal, the currency pair, the strategy that we use, everything that we have selected, we have everything. And like I said, we also have a strategy comment in here. Channel breakout to the downside with momentum acceleration, support levels below providing potential targets. So you not only getting these readings, you also get the strategy breakdown, so you understand, wow, this is crazy. And like I said, we can do one more trade after this. This is, like I predicted, this is going to be pretty bad, because you can see, if you look by the chart, even on 5 seconds, it looks absolutely choppy and crazy, and this is a horrible environment to trade in. So we're going to do one more. We just lost 1000. That is fine. We were already profiting 4 or 5000. So there it is. We lost. It's fine. Like I say, this tool will be able to perform amazingly in a somewhat decent chart, which is not super volatile. So let's go for Euro Japanese Yen. This looks much more better, and let's use the same strategy just on a different chart. Euro Japanese Yen, 1 minute, generate signal, and we are off. And you can see how quick you get everything, and you can see 85% signal probability. So let's see if we're able to secure this sell position. I can get behind it. Absolutely. We're gonna place 2000 on this to offset the loss from the previous one, and the price goes up, which means we're dropping more money on top here to make sure that even if we take a loss here, we're still able to secure the top ones, and just like that, we are in. And let's look. You can see we use the same strategy, however the strategy comment is different. Price respecting channel boundaries with clean bounces, trend continuation expected within channel structure. So the channel probably goes like this, moving in a downwards direction. We have a downtrend, so it's gonna respect the boundary that is probably around here and push back the price down. So this is what we're waiting for. Let's see it. We still have 20 seconds to go, so anything can happen. We're just here observing, and we're about to secure a pretty big solid win for us, I think. Let's see that massive red candle. I need it right now. The next two candles should be big. Let's see it. We lost the first two. That is fine. There it is. This is what I've been looking for. There it is. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. There it is. There it is. There it is in the last second. A little bit of luck, but we got it. We got it, and that's all that matters. We caught it, and you can see the price starts to move downwards. We just were a few seconds away from securing all of the trades here, and this is what I'm saying. The precision on this tool right now is insane. We were just a couple of seconds off, but still we went into the market, guys, and you can see it with your own eyes. From 14,000 or from 14,000 to 20,000, $6,000 of profit. We took 4 losses, everything else were wins. We traded in a rough market and still were able to come out on top. And this tool is a must-have if you're trading on the move. If you're out, if you're working, you can perform some trades while you are at your 9 to 5, and you can always grind, because this is what it's all about. If you want to be financially independent, you need to be trading in all of the environments, and you need to catch certain times when the market is more convenient for you. Sometimes that time will be when you're at work and you want to have access to that, and you have it with your tool. You can have this in your phone, so absolutely try it out. Send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro, or click the link in the description below. Tomorrow we're gonna continue trading. We still have a few robots that we need to explore, so I can show you how well they perform after the update. But here you have it, $6,000 of profit. I appreciate you all for tuning in, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.